Hi Teen, my name, welcome to my channel. Today we gonna try for chips, Russian chips. They all in this pocket. 7 types of chips. I buy randomly, not choose. I'd like to buy Crunchy Cheetos in store, but located in other side of city. Jeez, but they all gone for some reason. I thought maybe we'll be here 3 or 4 years. But nope. It's brought so little, but cost like this analog from Russia. 5G waves kills people.
What the fuck?
I like to taste, so I need guarding system or shit like that. I'm not good thinker. Let it be like if good, dislike is bad, and neutral. I like this like snow and snow. It's a crow, no? I know maybe, Bambi, but it's sad. I cry like a bitch when watch this in my child.
Children.
You maybe know, but McDonald's are left. You can beef like what shithole is now. Real shithole. Not you, bro. Little bro. Like taste wine, you know? Have alcoholic in my YouTube. It's like old lace, so I put and this analog. I taste once, it was very with spacious. I think Indian people like this, but not in Russia. But it's cheap. Maybe this, maybe. They am very kind. It's very hot when you eat more. My mouth. Yep, black sheep.
Hey. She's in love with who I am. I got a crew and we be hanging at the clam.
What in ingredient? Why is black? I don't know. I thought it's healthy, but it's not. I love mukbang when beauty Korean girl. Say something or eating. I can't do this. It's mukbang for fat. Real black. It's a little hot, but also not bad. But my favorite one, wort, is from the oven. I already got tired of this taste, but already not bad. I think it's the best today. Pringles. I wait for this a long time. By the way, I have a good or bad story. Bad for supermarket because I stole from them and I was child. Don't blame me. All in all, this shit cost me 200 rublei or 3.
This thing is 300
bucks. Oh, I all time dream to see other word from this hole of your mom. What? I don't see anything. I don't call to my lawyer.
What the fuck says the son of the bitch? Get strike noob.
It's not impressive, so maybe like this more. And they cost a lot. This interesting box. It's cost cheap, but how it designed, it's not bad. Yo, so I have no idea what to compare with it, like mine. And tastes very good. But it's corn chips. I hope this is not corns from this side. Weird taste, but I like this. It's like this. Rating maybe like wet. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, subscribe and share with your friends. See ya!